Copyright. Oh, come, let's go.
Too loud.
Let's go. Good morning. This is day 2. Paligan?
You want to work?
No. Yeah, I know. Come on, let's go down.
With you. I don't like you.
Gising lang namin 6:30.
He's very scared.
Oh, come here, Monty. Monty, come here. Come here. Monty.
Sure, Monty will be there. With you in your hands. Why are you still holding Monty? Oh,
Yeah.
Monty, let's go.
Itong batang ito kaaga-aga nanggigising. 6:30 pa lang, dapat tulog pa kami.
I'm gonna
Gusto nang magdagat.
Ay, Momo. There's Momo.
Kailangan talaga.
Monty! No!
Monday, come here. Shh. Monday, come here. Last day na namin today, mga shots.
I'm not having a vlog.
Ang bata. Awan ko kung sinong gising na. Oh, what happened there? I told them last night to close it properly. Yeah. Okay. So, ganyan pala yung view dito, mga shots. So, yung cabin namin dito. Sarap mag-picture dyan, di ba? Eh, hindi ko alam kung sino na nandito. Yung birthday girl namin, oh. Aga-aga, nakasimsuot na. Put your t-shirt on.
No,
Yeah, you have to, anak.
no.
What's wrong? Andiyan na yung dragon. Maghanap buhay na naman sila. Ayan. Maingay naman yung karaoke. Ang aga-aga naman ng karaoke nila. Kantahan agad. Nakapangtulog pa nga tayo, baby Yana. Ate Malia. Hindi naman kasi presko yung kanilang squid. Yung anak ko naman.
Nakailang ihi ako, nabubuisit ako. Nahirapan na lang ako kada gising ko, nahirapan ako balik. Parang hindi nga ako natulog eh.
Ano ko naman, saka puro ngaw-ngaw. Hindi na rin ako.
Ano? Ano?
6:30 gising na sabi niya, out.
Si Manya, kanila ano din, pagalit ng tatay niya. Mama, tara na. Ayoko pang umuwi. Sabi niya.
Mama, si kuya nakatulog pa. Pagod yun.
Pero, si Kuya, siya ihat kilos eh. Aga ko nakatulog pag galing ko sa iyo kagabi. Pag galing ko, tulog agad ako. Kaya pala ang aga mo rin nagising.
Nagulat pa kami kagabi kasi yan, ang ingay-ingay. Sabi ko, na ano yata ito, nabati kagabi. Pagdating sa pinto, sumuka agad.
Ano, gisusukan
Hindi na nung nalawa yan, hindi na nag-ano.
Hindi na, nahimik na. Baka nausog nyo kagabi.
Hello, my big girl. Ka, mama. Ay, ka, mama. Pistik ka. Nag-ano na video na naman. Hindi ko manala.
Kutusan mo sa loob. Ano ba ba yung tinapay?
Mermaid.
Ay, ganda sa kwarto kami pakuha sa lagi.
Inutosan ko kanina, sabi niya, akunin mo.
Kasi natulog naman ano, sa ano lang yun.
Ano, itong lagayan natin. Tanggapin.
Oo.
Sinip niyo pala yung pangkape. Plastic natin.
Awan ko yung kapangkapi, ba't di sinil kagahapon? Ang dami yung kagahapon, ah.
Hindi pa mo na yung muna tinapay doon.
Baka na natin magkakape man lang yan siya. Mamaya pa yung kakain.
Kami.
Let's have your milk. Have your milk. Have your milk. Mommy's making your milk. You want to have your milk, right? Come on.
Mama, I want to let the.
Madam is sleeping till now.
Yeah.
Yesterday she was awake at 5 o'clock. Today you have to go back to sleeping.
Walang bantay yung kubo. Dito ako sa dagat.
Kami go. We go to the, we have to,
No, you have to go order food first. Come.
Bisa mo. Ay.
You go, Papa.
oh, come on, come on.
Puntaan nga si
Let's follow, let's follow. Ate Malia, come on. Ate Malia, come here. So she will follow.
Come on. Come on.
Come here.
What about Monty? Why
Let him
is
stay here.
Ay, te, si Monty, pakit mo muna doon sa ano.
Monty, stay here.
bye-bye.
Si bye-bye, Monty.
What about my hairbrush? How can I put them out?
Just hold it.
That's Tito room. I want there.
Punta kami sa ano. Breakfast. Ay. Morning, Tito. Say good morning, Tito. We're going to get our breakfast. Kasi yung breakfast nila nandoon sa kabilang ano pa. Sa kabilang kalsada. So we have to go there and ask for the breakfast. And this will be our last day today. Are you excited to go home, Malia?
No.
No?
I'm stay here.
She wants to stay. She wants to stay. And
Maybe
live
my
here.
classmate is mistaken me.
Mhm.
No running that. Come on.
Classmate
There's
is
a road over there.
mistaken me.
Okay? There's vroom coming from there.
Why you park the car there, babe? It doesn't belong to them, right? Also? No, that's straw hat. Liwa liwa.
Which one?
That one, that place.
Yeah, belongs to them who they gave.
Really?
Yeah.
Why it's different name?
Oh, there's a different cafe.
So they will allow you to put that there?
Well, nobody said no to me, right? Come on, go ahead. No, not this.
No, this way, this way.
This way.
That's not too
You're going
far.
this way. Come on.
Is it there now?
We have to walk a little bit further.
That's easy.
TP Hot Village.
Mom, I mean that I.
Yeah.
Why are you getting loud?
No, because I want to capture everything. So one day, when I get old and you get big, you will go back to my channel and say, wow, that was me. Right? And even Ayana, one day when she get bigger, she will watch herself.
One day Diana will be bigger. She's gonna be my bestie now.
Bestie, okay. Good.
Krista, why are you always moving? I didn't told you to move.
No fighting.
Ouch! Ouch! Stop, mister. You're the one who's doing it to me. I'm walking. Don't disturb me. Ow! I'm gonna snap. Yeah.
Oh, the water is leaking. Something wrong. Huh? See, it's leaking.
Sleeping through the cup. Is that the dinosaur inside? Tada, is it there?
I hope they're open now. It's already 7:30. Yung kanilang ano, restaurant.
No. Don't go there. There's boo over there.
Yung mga pagkain nila. Maliwanag na. Kape muna tayo ulit. Nakailang kape na ba tayo? Si Jowa. Struggle is real, Jowa. Yung anak ko masyadong ano ngayon, clingy. Napaka-clingy. Malia, which one you like? Ay, puro carbs yung kinakain natin dito. Wala nang control, wala nang diet. Ko Lord. Mali oh.
Wait, Monty.
Monte! Stop licking! Bastos ka talaga.
I was just smelling.
Babe, you want some bread? You want some bread? Huh? Nak, you want cheese? Rocket is real.
Monty is so cute.
Huh? Chair? Malia, can you bring chair for Uncle Malia? Go that one. Give it to me. Go chair. Come on, bring that to Uncle. Utos mo.
Let's go water.
You put it there. Make sure Monty won't hit it.
Take your bread. Can you take this one to Ayana too?
It's so tiring. I really want to sit down and have a relax.
Meron kuya. May kape naman tayo at bumili ka. Mayroon doon. Oo. Mayroon na. Yan yung view ngayon. Tahimik yung dagat, hindi maalon. Pero mainit. Mamimiss namin tong view na to. Ang ganda oh. Ganda ng view, tahimik.
Mama, can you give me some water? Is that her swimsuit, the yellow one? Is the yellow one her swimsuit?
Ayan na swimsuit.
But why you have a lot of swimsuit that you bring?
12. Check out natin.
Well, till 1:30 extra. You put a video over there.
Naging medyas yun.
What do you want to eat? You want cheese?
Hot dog?
Hot dog?
You share with Mati. Ano? Ay, hindi nugget sa'yo, Malia. Nag-nuggets na. You know, give that one. This one for my brother-in-law.
Have some more.
Ang grabing alat.
Two.
Literal tuyo.
Ha?
Literal tuyo.
Asa na ate? Kain muna tayo breakfast. Which one you asan yung beef tapa? Kaya ba ba? Yung kay Mateo na lang yan. Beef tapang isa. Wala.
Rest on the stomach.
I don't know, babe.
Kaya pala umiyak ako.
Ano, bagahapon pa yan?
Said from yesterday.
Paggabi ko na napansin na bakit may mga ganyan.
Saan galing yan?
Tayo ng aming almusal. Sila kuya tawagin. Nasaan naman si kuya? Ah, ito pala si kuya.
Mutusan, tapos hanapin mo.
Imbes mo chicken nuggets yung mga bata eh. Ito oh.
No, no, this one for you. Here, take cucumber.
Kol, ang music mo kol. Imbes nag-ano ako kol. Hot dog. Ay naku anak. Kain tayo mga shots. Yung aming breakfast. Malia is crying nak. Malia is crying. It's just like the bed.
Malia.
Oh, doon ikaw natin na. Okay.
Ano gusto yung cake?
What you're dressed like an old,
Andun
old
yung
woman, huh? Nicole?
Sa lamesa.
Covering her head and all that?
It's hot.
Oh my god, is this hot?
Malia, water. Here.
Want to sit down?
We're leaving today. Asa si ate? Si ate natapos sa kaka-swimming niya. Wala, sunog kami, sunog. Ang ganda ng view. Uwi na kami mamaya. Kapit. Kaya pala may kachismisan pala si ate dito, kaya pala nagtagal. Diyan siyang kachismisan. Ayan oh. Wala nang sunblock dito, di na uso. Parang hindi man ako umitim. Ganun pa rin yung kulay ko. Pero, sakay tayo. Sakay tayo. Tara na. Kaya na sinikod ng ATV. Kahapon dito siya nakasakay kasi nabutan na ng gabi. Sila palang dalawa. Sila palang dalawa, sasamahan siya ni Kuya Nato. May dala kayong cellphone? Mag-timer kami kayo ng 15 minutes. Ha? No, no baby, it's really hot. it's hot, anak. It's hot. Sige na. O, sige na. O, bye-bye. Nak, it's hot. Right, Sila, right. Baby, it's hot. It's hot.
No, no, no more.
No, because your daddy is working on the phone. You guys are playing only. So, you can't watch every day and spend time. Spend a lot of
He's
time on
wa-
the phone.
He's
It's not good.
watching on Netflix all night.
All night.
Yeah,
My goodness.
Netflix.
Next flex.
That's a joke.
Next flex.
I mean,
Nalunod na ba yun?
Mag-banana boat tayo ulit. Tara na.
Yay, banana boat!
Saan punta?
Tata, ay.
Darating na siya?
Remember the ice cream? Remember
Ang
the
sosyal
ice
laman?
cream?
Ha?
Remember the ice cream?
The ice cream is all the way there. We have to go back there later. Okay?
We took it from outside.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh no! Why did you pee so much in my water? I need to kill you.
Don't say that word.
That's okay. Is it? It's good.
Huh? Easy, darling. Not
Anak,
too much.
babe, her eyes. It might fall something on her eyes. Enough, anak.